What's up, YouTube? 2018 Mazda cx5 Touring. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter today. This is the second generation Mazda cx5. I'm not sure if the first generation has the same setup or not, but this applies to the second generation. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So continue my videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is have to take your glove box down. And you're going to come over to this little lever right here. Pull up on it to disconnect it from the box. Now you're going to have little tabs right here. You're going to have to pull out, push to the left, and it's going to kind of hold itself. Push to the left on the other one too. Just drop your glove box down. Take your cabin filter, push up on that tab, pull out the old one. Take the new one. It's going to face downwards with the arrow. This one don't have an arrow, I don't see. But the old one does, if you can see that right there. Doesn't matter anyways, it only goes in one way on this one. Push it in till you hear it click, or feel it click. Just like that. Push your glove box back up. Pull your little arm out right here. Click it back on. Close your glove box. Simple as that. Anyways, I hope y'all liked this video. Hope y'all found it informative. If I was moving around a lot, sorry. I'm doing this with one hand and my cell phone. Y'all have a good day. Subscribe, check like. Peace out, YouTube.